Carpet Edgar. Bermuda kids say, take it no eyes, I'm saying some fun go better than them, right? I'm saying I'm gonna ice share and gargamel and all these cocos for a dance. So me have a new dance boss. Edgar Friday. Sekkle them down. Bermuda kids, sekkle them down. Sean famous, sekkle them down. Ain't no ticket for Percy, sekkle them down. Touch elbow, two time cross and touch your head. Bermuda Avenue dance, sekkle them then crush them out like a gaba in a blame. Bermuda Avenue dance, sekkle them. If you can't do the dance, just ask me we tell. Bermuda Avenue dance, sekkle them. Over Edgar Friday we party with friends. Bermuda Avenue dance, sekkle them. Sekkle Dung, 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 Sekkle them down. Bermuda kids, sekkle them down. Sean famous, sekkle them down. Ain't no ticket for Percy, sekkle them down. Fresh kids in the dance, so the party it up. Hennessy young girl boo, so we have to sip it up. Boo, go to tell us if it up. No, we are mix up the Sekkle Dung with the dig it up and then you dig it up and dig it up. Energy kid in the dance, so the party lift up and then you dig it up and dig it up. Everybody in the dance, so small a big up. Shelly belly ever dance like fire it a gas. When we are dance, every girl happy watch. Can't do the dance if your belly full of gas. Shelly belly ever new dance, him gyal a was, then you gyal a was. We gyal a ping and a right and a chat and gyal a was. Just get a text and a must another. Sekkle them down. Bermuda kids, sekkle them down. Sean famous, sekkle them down. Ain't no ticket for Percy, sekkle them down. Exception, sizzle body and dance happening. Cartoon and diamond on the farmery. Ding dang, ravers and checkers go. From you a dancer, show them what you can do. Over my simple flex and blase. When we a party, we never left for shorty. TNT, Bokasha and Sample 6. Sekkle Dung and the new dance, come to this. Sekkle them down. Bermuda kids, sekkle them down. Sean famous, sekkle them down. Ain't no ticket for Percy, sekkle them down. No sir, I'm Mr. Take It Tele Records. Tell them you're on the brass, so that one you're sure shot. I'm Mr. Edgar Friday. I'm Mr. Corporate Edgar. I'm not a fuck wife, but what a thing. It's a good thing. Take It Tele Records. Express Production. Good. Bermuda kids say, right now, Corporate Edgar and everything alright. Now you see me, now you don't. Good. I'ma say you are Brooklyn, me there, New York, Queens, and there's something there right now. This is how I'm living in America. Forward Edgar. I don't know this I'm a car porch. And some things set. I don't know this I'm a vehicle. I don't know the thing go, I'm mad sitting. Yeah man, I see him so things set man. Edgar man, Corporate Edgar man, I don't know. I go upstairs and now forward. Watch your step, Edgar, because I step at Edgar. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, when you check and suck, you can see the whole view from here, so. Edgar view. You know what I mean? View turn up. From my balcony. That's what I'm there. And when I say balcony, I mean from my porch. Somebody just say porch. A joke. Foreign me there, on my porch.
Yeah, 3-bedroom house and you're Friday.
3-bedroom, me all forward it. Yeah man, I'm mad city man, this is how I'm living in Queens, New York. Don't know. I'm mad thing. My cousin, don't know she hot. Straight family, this I don't know. The dad's room this Bermuda kid. You know what thing go. Good life I'm living, you know what I mean? I'll take care of more. Look at computer and say yo Edgar no go on and them something. This is the guest room, you don't know. A mad thing. You know the thing go, we turn up the thing, real thing, caucus bag of things, yeah, don't know Edgar, the thing go, in here so I don't know, I'm a cousin room this. Yeah, man. Thing alright, I don't know, my nice bathroom, jacuzzi and base sitting. I mean,
Sitting.
yeah. Nice. Yo, this is how I'm living. Don't know downstairs. I'm here below. I don't know the thing. In my kitchen.
Well, nice.
Where my cousin and work.
May I tell you, get me thing well sorted out. I mean, I'm looking at thing them in here, so.
I don't know, in here, so I'm a living room. Come in here, sir.
This is how we live in a style. There are chill and little and thing.
Flat screen per wall, cause when they are Jamaica, I have a TV small like a fingernail clip.
And my thing nice.
You know, I know, but they have fun in
a shot. And we just go on like this. This will work with you.
Crystal, and that's our thing that we drink and live in life.
Everything, this is it.
Yeah,
Snake
man.
and thing.
Snake, crocus bag of thing. But here we go on. Bermuda Kid there, I don't know, corporate head gun, I don't know, this is behind the scene of Bermuda Kid demo video. You know what I'm dealing with? Come here, my cousin, because you're acting now. What do you, man? I'm sitting right there beside of me, because if you're not boss this here, music and fear. Yeah.
So we live.
Style. Yeah, man. Family. Don't know, yes, I'm there when I'm there American Queens. You know what I mean? Bermuda Kid say, this is how I'm living with head gun. Right now, that's the thing, the corporate head gun. Family, where I say?
Straight. Loving my cousin.
Yeah, man, that's how we live in America, man. Yeah, man.
Straight. They love to all eat them, and we used to love. Straight. Love you know. All you know eat with, but still love. Come on, my cousin, take a shot to the head. Good.
Don't watch your buckle. Bermuda Kid said the liquor your head gun liquor. Don't watch your buckle. Because we run out of buckle, so guess what? We just find a buckle and throw some head gun liquor in it. You know what I mean?
Hey, look.
Good!
Come lucky.
$1 million for that dog, yeah.
So we live with a puppy in America. I see dog in a house and thing. Look at him pretty. Come to mama. Come to mama. Yeah, this is my puppy. This is Lucky. Big up my puppy Lucky. See me? In my live so nice poodle. Ah. Love mama. See? That's how we're living in style.
Head gun Friday. Head gun. Corporate head gun. I'm going to say yo, big up Van Persie. I'm going to say Energy Kid. I'm going to say Sean Famous. I'm going to say yo, big up Winnie in Jamaica. Lock down the whole Jamaica. One day she go dance and win some bag of money. You know the thing, go cause dancing and music in our blood. Dan IJ. Everything alright. Omar Famous. Corporate head gun. That's all the thing. They look on my shirt.
Head gun.
Head gun. Know the thing go. It's a good look. Fresh. That's all the thing there. Behind the scene of Bermuda Kid new song. Sekkle Dung. That's how thing there. We are Sekkle them down. Cause you see, bad mind that year. We not look upon them. Cause guess what? A freestyle. But you can't bite.
We not look upon them.
You understand? We not look upon them. Bad mind get left that year. Shauna, big up yourself. Everything alright. Real lady. Everything good.
So we live.
Good.